Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Today we are going to change the filter of the water ionizer. That's the under the counter. That's the UCE, the Tyent UCE water filter. So it's kind of easy to do. I only get to do this once every 6 months, and so I figured I've done it. Let's see, I've had this filter for 5 years now, so I must have done it twice a year. This is like my 11th time changing this. But I've never filmed it because I've been so excited about getting the filter and getting the purified alkaline water that I've never took the time to do this. But some people are asking about how to change the filters, how easy is it, and if you're thinking about buying a under-the-counter water ionizer or even an over-the-counter water ionizer, you might want to stick to the end of this. The water ionizer is right here, and you can see the two filters in there. Those are the old filters. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the old filters and I'm going to put in the new filters. Alright, so the old filters are right in here, and you just open it and lift, and this one I actually kind of unscrewed earlier. But this one, you lift it out on an angle and you unscrew it, and there's still water in there, and then you put them aside. Now the new filters will go in here on an angle, and you can just screw them in you don't even have to unplug the water ionizer. I didn't. Some people do, and you can, but I did that for the first couple of years. Then I decided not to. So I'm gonna go get those filters and we'll put them right in. Now here's the new water filters, and don't get them confused because I wrote the day I'm putting them in, which is 2018 of January. Okay, and the other filter okay, has the same thing, 19. So it's good to definitely mark your filter so you don't get confused, the new with the old. Now something I noticed here is this gasket. There's two gaskets on here, and there should only be one. So the gasket looks like this, and it's black, and it goes on here. Okay, sometimes it might be stuck on there, on the inside of this, and you need to remove it so that when you put your new filter in, there's only one gasket instead of two. So you put that in on an angle, you turn it clockwise about 4 times, and you will anchor it in there. Okay. Right now there is a little bit of water down in here, but just take a little sponge and that'll get that water out. This is the second filter. It's green. So the first filter filters all the water. The second filters all the chemicals out of the water. Second filters the chemicals out, but it also puts minerals in the water because it's hard alkaline water if there's no minerals in it. And this will take out everything. It'll take out all your minerals. It leaves 0.1 microns of anything but water. So that's like zero anything but pure water. And this, okay, this is the same, but it actually adds back in some of the stuff that this took out, which is basically calcium, probably some magnesium, and something like that. When you put this in, turn it 2 or 3 or 4 times until you can see that they're both in and they're both snug. Now if I turn the water ionizer on right now, you will see that it's ready to go, and so I'll do that before I put this away. Okay, so here's my water ionizer. It's this the over-the-counter model, and I'm sorry, the under-the-counter model. The over-the-counter model will go right about here. The under-the-counter model, what's here? So if I press, now here's another tip or secret. You always want to press H2O, green, and don't alkaline the water, because when the water first goes through here, it can or it cannot be alkaline. And if it's alkaline, that means it's running through the 11 plates that are in here. The 11 plates of titanium plated, I'm sorry, platinum plated titanium, which go in there. And those plates, you do not want to run new water through there because there's a little carbon from the filters in there. Sometimes you'll see this water and it'll look like just a little black or dark or gray, and that's carbon, which is fine. You can actually drink it. But it is probably not good for your plates. So I run this first, and now I can run the alkaline water. Okay, so actually that's it. I'm done. Filters are changed. If you have any questions, comments, just leave them on my in the comment section, and hopefully I'll talk to you or see you again soon. Take care.